Hey buddy, we're gonna eat. Okay. Hi everyone, and welcome back. So today I'm going to tour you the dog house that I built for my boxer, Mr. Bentley. And this is the house right here, and Bentley is here. So it took me about a month to build this. So I built this house next to my house, so I'm trying to just try to match. So it looks actually pretty good, I think. He has a window here on the side, so when he's inside and he doesn't have to get out to see what's going on, he can look through the window. And he also has this one, and this bowl, it's actually, look, it works super great. It's great for him to see what's going on outside while he's staying inside. So he has a little deck area right here, and he actually usually he lay down there just and he chill outside when he wants it. This is the door. And I'm actually going on the side to show you that there's a little opening here because there's some power there. So this dog house is insulated, has heat inside, there's a fan, and there's a camera. So this whole set cost me about $800 to build this house, this dog house. And believe it or not, but the screws, the nails, you need to count them. Those are expensive, believe it or not. Alright, so I'm gonna go inside and show it to you. Alright, so it's about 30 degrees outside, and it's close to 60 here. So here's the heat here. I set up to 60 degrees because Bentley likes when it's like no more than that. There's a camera right here. You can see everything is insulated. This is the view that he has when he puts his head inside. It's pretty amazing, actually. Here it is. There's a fan right here, so it's great for summertime to cool off everything. Hey Bentley, come here. Come here. We fit here. Come here, my boy. There you go. Inside is a 4x5 and 4 feet tall. Here it is. Put his head there. He loves it. And he has a 2 by 5 deck for him outside to hang out. You happy? Huh? So very cozy here, very, very cozy. Okay, Bentley, can I get out? Hey, can I get out? I'm gonna show you the here's to show you what's inside the attic. So it's also insulated. This is where I put today's all the cables right here. And then on top you see all the insulation right here as well, and insulated here on the bottom. So one of my not mistake, but what I should have done is open up here so that it would have given me a better access to get in the doghouse if I need to clean it. But I do have the space to open it up if one day I cannot fit inside the door. So this is it. I'm going to show you some pictures of while I'm doing this video of how I built it. I don't have a lot of pictures, but you can see an idea on how I did it and the way it started.
Je ne sais où aller, je ne sais où marcher. Et tout ce que je sais, ce que je sais, je ne sais où aller, je ne sais où marcher. Et tout ce que je sais, c'est que tu n'es pas là, n'es pas là, n'es pas là, n'es pas là, c'est loin de moi. Is there a better place? And I run and run again, far from who I am. I hope to get back to where I can break away. I fear I'll never reach the end, 'cause something pulls my hand. I always wonder, is there a better place? I always wonder, I always wonder, I always wonder, is there a better place? I always wonder, I always wonder, I always wonder, is there a better place? Close my eyes, evade the fire, but it's so far away.